Krabi. So, magpo-food trip kami. It's so hot. Tapos ako naman, nag-order ako ng fishball, tsaka ng, ano tawag dito? Ano tawag dito guys? Siomai ni Papa. Hindi kay Papa yan kasi matagal na si Papa. Si Papa kasi medyo malayo. So, food trip tayo. Can I try to bite?
It's very
Yummy. It's very hot.
How come you can eat it? It's so hot. How come you can eat it? Oh, God.
In fairness, sarap siya.
Hold it like this. I thought you were gonna take a picture. Is that shomai? I want to try.
Guys, tikman natin yung yung siomai ng iba compare kay
Can
Papa.
I eat it? Oh.
Okay lang, pero iba pa rin yung kay Papa guys. It's sobra. Ibang iba, lalo na yung sauce.